Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can watch movies for free and legally, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to watch movies for free and legally, you will need to download this app first. So this app is called Pluto TV. Pluto TV is a free ad-supported streaming service that offers free full movies for you to watch, and it is also legal and safe so you don't need to worry. But before you can download the app, first, you will need to download a VPN if you are not from the United States, because this app is only available on United States. There are a lot of VPN you can download on the Play Store, but I recommend you to download this VPN, because this VPN is completely free, so you won't need to pay anything to connect. I will leave a download link for the VPN in the description of this video, or you can also just download it in your App Store or Play Store just by searching VPN Lat. And once you've finished downloading the VPN, you can now open it. And right here, you will now be able to see all the countries you can connect with the VPN, but among these countries, I want you to find the United States. And once you've found it, go and tap it. And then they will show you places in the United States that you can connect your VPN to. Just select wherever you want. And after selecting, tap Connect to completely connect to the VPN. And then after that, you will now be connected. So now that you're connected to the VPN, you can finally download the app to watch movies. To do that, just go to your App Store or Play Store. And then just search for the app. And after searching, you will now be able to see the app, just download it. Then just wait for the downloading process to finish. Once it's finished you can now open the app. And right here, you can choose if you want to create a Pluto TV account. If you want to create an account, then just tap this, but if you don't want to, just tap Not Now. In my case, I will choose to create an account. So to create an account, you just need to fill up your information such as your email, gender, username, and password that you want. I'm sorry guys, but I will blur this video in this part for privacy. And once you're done setting up, you can now tap Sign Up to completely create your account. And then after that, you will now be on the app. So to watch movies on this app, just go tap On Demand. And right here, you will now be able to see many popular movies you can watch, and you can watch it all freely. So just find the movie that you want to watch. So let's say that you want to watch this movie for example, so to watch it, just tap the movie. And then just tap Watch Now and then you will now be able to watch it. I'm sorry guys, but I can't show you when the movie is playing because my screen record turned black in this part. It seems like it is not allowed to screen record a movie. But at this point of time, the movie is already playing, it is just in screen record that the screen is black. But in your case, you will be able to watch the movie without a problem since you are not doing a screen recording, so just enjoy. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.